coaches, players 8, Group C. Once again, coaches, players 8, Group C. Please take note, we will have a double round robin. And then top 2. Coaches for players 8, Group C. Cebu United Team A, MFC Cebu, Don Bosco Liloan FC. We will have a double round robin and then top 2 will proceed to the quarterfinal round. And also please take note that there will be 2 wild cards. Coaches, please take note, there will be 2. Once again, players 8, Group C, we will have a double round robin and then top 2. Group C, players 8, Cebu United Team A, MFC Cebu, Don Bosco Liloan.
Line, down the line. Down the line. Down the line. Hey, go, go, cross. Go, Chok.
Also, please take note, Group C of players 12. We will have double round robin for Group C of players 12. Please take note, Bato Spartans, Legacy FC, and DBYC. We will play a double round robin on the top 2. We'll proceed to the quarterfinal round.
Shot! Drink water.
Okay, get ready. Next game at pitch number 3 versus Guardian Strikers. Next game at pitch number 3. Pitch 4, next game, Bato Spartans versus Legacy FC. Once again, next game at pitch number 4, players 12. Once again, next game, pitch 4, players 8. Next game at pitch number 1, Guardian Strikers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Once again, next game at pitch number 1, players 8. Guardian Strikers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. At pitch number 2, next game. Pitch 2, next game. Players 8. Cebu United Team A versus MFC Cebu. Once again, next game at pitch number 2, players 8. Cebu United Team A versus MFC Cebu. Players 8, next game at pitch number 2. Okay, next game, pitch 1, please be on the pitch. Guardian Strikers versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Okay, pitch 1, please be on the pitch. Guardian Striker versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Players A. At pitch number 2, please proceed at pitch number 2. Players A. Cebu United A versus MFC Cebu. Once again, Cebu United. Players 8, Group C, please take note. We will play a double round robin. Same goes with players 12, Group C. We will play a double round robin and then top 2.